and welcome to this amazing platform. I am Momita and I'll be your career mentor for today. We learned about Hangul in the last class. We'll continue and elaborate on Hangul and learn how to form syllables. You might have noticed that some of the consonants look similar and sound similar. Well, that is because they are from the same group or the same family. Let's try and differentiate between the sounds. Starting with the first family, I have gh. The aspirated sound of gh, I have k. K aspirated meaning air is escaping when I am saying the or when I am forming the sound. Then lastly, the tense sound k. We'll add a, the vowel a to this. This becomes gha, kha and ka. Next family, we have dha, tha and ta. Dha, tha, ta. Next we have bha, pha and pa. Bha, pha, pa. A full sound of sa, sa and s. Tense sound sa, 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 sa. Next we have dha, cha and ta. Dha, ta, ta. Now let's try adding consonants and vowels together. I'll take the first basic consonant that we learned, gh, and I'll add the first simple vowel that we learned, a. Gha, gha, gh, ya, ghya, gh, o, gho, gh, yo, ghyo, gh, o, gho, gh, yo, ghyo, gh, u, ghu, gh, yu, ghu, gh, u, ghu, gh, I, ghi. Now try adding the vowels to rest of the consonants. Moving on, let's try and read a few simple words. I'll take the consonant k and I'll add the vowel o. Kho, kho, kho is your nose. Next, m, o, mo, jha, a, jha, moja. Moja is a cap. This will not make a sound, this consonant, because it's being followed by a vowel. Yes, consonant followed by a vowel. This consonant is not making a sound. So, yo, u. Yo, u is a fox. Again, similarly, consonant followed by the compound vowel ui. So, not making a sound. Ui, sa, a, sa. Uisa. Uisa is a doctor. Jha, u, ju. Sa, u, s. Juice. Juice is juice. Aspirated sound p, i, p. Jha, a, ja. Pizza. Pizza is pizza. Gh, o, gho. Now this consonant we know will not be making a sound when preceding a vowel. Now this is following a vowel, so make a ng sound. It will make an ng sound, right? So ghong, ghong is a ball. Bh, e, gh, e, bhege. Notice the two the similar sounds. Hege is a pillow. The tense sound k, e, ke, dh, a, dha, keda. Keda is to break. The consonant dh, o, e, compound vowel, makes a we sound. We, so dhwe, jh, I, ji, dhweji. Dhweji is a pig. Now let's learn about syllables. Unlike in English, Hangul, the letters are grouped into blocks to form words. Yes, Now we know Han, for example, the syllable Han, An looks like a character, but it's actually made up of 3 letters. Yes. These blocks can be arranged horizontally from left to right or vertically from top to bottom to create words. And all syllables will have an initial consonant followed by a vowel. Always remember, we start with a consonant, then follow it with a vowel. Let's see the different patterns in which we can form syllables. The first being consonant and vowel beside each other, but starting with consonant always. So, consonant, vowel, ye, ye. This is not making a sound. Yes, so ye. Gh, yo, gyo, rl, ri plus e, ri, ri. Next pattern, we have consonant above the vowel. Let's see, I put my consonant, then my vowel. This is not making a sound, this consonant. So, o, u, m, nu, n, u, nu. Next pattern we have consonant and vowel beside each other on top of another consonant. Let's try forming this syllable. Consonant, vowel on top of another consonant. A, I. Similarly, consonant, vowel over a consonant, yop, yop. Then we have consonant, vowel, a, and then the ng consonant. This will make a sound because it's not preceding a vowel, it's following a vowel. So, eng. Now, gh, a, gh, gha, gh, ghag, khag. Lastly, we have an, han. Next pattern is consonant over vowel over consonants. Let's try forming this. I have my consonant, place the vowel, yo, and then another consonant, ng, yong. Similarly, m, n, u, nu, and then n, nun, and then q, rl, gyul. Now we'll move on to final consonants or bhachim. So what are bhachim? Bhachims are final consonants. When we mean final consonant, we mean that they are appearing at the bottom of the syllable. The last consonant, bhachim. And there are only 7 consonants sound: gh, n, th, r, m, b, s, and ng, ng. All other consonants, when appearing as bhachim, will only have these 7 sounds. Let's see what we mean by that. Our first group, whenever there is bhachim and it is one of these 3 consonants, the sound will always be gh. Let's see a few examples. Ghu, gh, gug. Here my bhachim is gh. So pronunciation is gh, gug. The sound remains the same. The second form, bha, k. This is supposed to be a k sound, bhak. But because this is appearing as my bhachim, the sound will change to gh. Only the sound. Spelling remains the same. I'll write as bhak, but I'll pronounce it as bhag, bhag. Similarly, bhu or kh sound, but bhu gh sound. Yes, so whenever these 3 letters are appearing as bhachim, the sound is always gh. Next group. This is a tall order. Yes, whenever all of these letters, whenever all of these consonants are appearing as bhachim, the sound always turns to dh. Let's see the examples. Bhad, no change, bhad, bhad. Here it should be mit, but pronunciation is midh. I'll write mit, but pronunciation is mid. Similarly, bhis, s, but pronunciation bhid, 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 bhij, j sound, bhij, but bhid, pronounced as bhid. Then ch also changes to the, bhich, not bhij, it's bhid, bhid. Similarly, is, not is, this is id, id. Not here, who, here, not the h sound, this will be the sound. Here, th, here. Okay, our next batch. Bh, there is no change. When it is the bhachim, here spelling is ib. Pronunciation was also ib. Ib, no change, ib. But when there is ph, pronunciation will change to bh. Ib, ib. Spelling is the same, pronunciation differs. Next batch. Now, bhan, n. There is no change for n. Bhan remains bhan. N remains n. No change for n. Similarly, rl. Now, we know that rl, this consonant has two sounds. But whenever it's appearing as bhachim, whenever it's bhachim, the sound is closer to an L. It's closer to a L. For example, I have bha and then the RL consonant. So here L sound. Bhar, bhar. When RL is my bhachim, the sound is closer to an L. Okay. Now M, there is no change. Bham, M remains M. Bham, bham. Okay. Now this consonant we have already learned. Yes, when it's preceding a vowel, it won't be making any sound. But when appearing as bhachim, when it's placed beneath or it's following a vowel, the sound is ng. Bhang, bhang, bhang. Okay. Now we'll move on to double final consonants or bhachim. Sometimes there are two consonants which appear as bhachim. There might be two final consonants. Yes, in such cases only one of the sound is considered. Let's see in which case which sound is considered. Okay, so for all of these cases, the first sound is considered. Yes, the first sound, the first consonant. Okay, so gh followed by a s. Yes, gh would be considered. N, jh, n would be considered. N, h, n would be considered. L, bh, l would be considered. L, s, l would be considered. L, th, again l would be considered. L, h, l would be considered. B, s, again bh would be considered. All of these 8 cases, the sound of the first consonant is considered. Okay. For the rest of the 3 cases, only these 3 cases, the sound value of the second consonant is considered. So, l, gh is considered. L, m, l, p. Okay. But if you are having a hard time remembering, yes, it is a little hard to remember all these groups. If you are having a hard time, just remember these 3 cases. For all the rest of the cases, the sound value of the first consonant is considered. Okay. So, let's see a few examples. So, mo, gh, sa. Yes. Here, S will not make a sound. Only sound value of the first consonant. So, this will be pronounced as mog. Mog. Similarly, this will not be considered. So, an. An, not anaj or aj. This will be an. Again, first value. So, an. Here also first value. So, dhar. Dhar. The spelling remains the same. It's only the pronunciation that changes. Okay. Again, this will not be considered. So, ghol. Ghol. Here also. So, hal. Again, similarly, il and ob. For all these cases, the sound value of first consonant is considered. Next, here we'll consider the sound value of the second consonant. Yes. So not considering this. So this becomes hug, hug, dhag, thumb and up. Only for these three cases the sound value of the second consonant is considered. Okay. So today we learned more about Hangul and how to form syllables. That's it for today's class. I'll see you in the next one.